Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Full details: Qatar, 50 dirhams coin. Basic information: country, state of Qatar. Denomination, 50 dirhams. Currency system, 1 Qatari Riyal equals 100 dirhams. Type, circulation coin. Status, legal tender in Qatar, older series. Some years now replaced by newer designs. Obverse, front side. Design, a traditional dhow, wooden sailing boat, on waves with palm trees in the background. Symbolism, the dhow represents Qatar's maritime heritage, fishing, and pearl diving history. Palm trees symbolize prosperity and life in the Gulf region. Arabic inscription. At the top, the Islamic, Hijri, year of minting. At the bottom, Dawlat Qatar, state of Qatar. Border, dotted rim around the edge. Reverse, backside. Denomination, large Arabic numeral, 50, in the center. DIRHAMS English, at the top. State of Qatar. Decorative elements, crescent and geometric Islamic motifs. Metal and physical specifications. Specifications can vary slightly by year series. Metal composition, copper nickel. Color, silver gray. Shape, round. Edge, plain. Diameter, -24 mm. Weight, -6 grams, approximate. Years of issue, issued mainly from the 1970s to early 2000s, depending on series. Dates on the coin are usually shown in Hijri calendar, sometimes without Gregorian year. Historical and cultural importance. This coin reflects Qatar's traditional life before oil wealth, highlighting sea trade, pearl diving, coastal culture. It is a popular coin among Middle Eastern coin collectors due to its classic design. Collector value, approximate. Value depends heavily on condition and year. Circulated condition, low monetary value, mostly face value or slightly above. Uncirculated, brilliant condition, higher collector interest. Special years or mint errors can be worth more. Note, this coin is not rare, but it is historically significant. Who collects this coin? Gulf region collectors, Islamic and Arabic coin collectors, beginners starting a world coin collection.